Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iMessage and Facetime activation unsuccessful. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page. Let me tell you that if you want to connect your iMessage or FaceTime and it's not working for you guys, then it means you are disconnected with the internet. Okay guys, so first of all you have to check your internet connection if you are properly connected with the internet. So guys, you just simply have to tap on Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn off your Wi-Fi and then turn to mobile data or vice versa. You can also turn on aeroplane mode at least for about 30 or 40 seconds. Now turn this off and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down, just simply have to turn on the message and just simply have to turn on the FaceTime. So guys, if it's already turned on, just simply have to turn off the messages or turn off FaceTime. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page, and after that you have to open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to make sure that your date time is correct. Then you have to scroll it down and just simply have to tap on transfer reset iPhone. From here you have to tap on reset. Just simply have to reset your network setting and then you have to open the settings again. Scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on shut down. Just simply have to turn off your device. And after turning it on guys, just simply have to turn on iMessage or FaceTime, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and share my channel. Thanks for watching.